At first, it's just a tiny red dot in the sky, a small spark, a pinprick of light. Mars, a planet we've watched for thousands of years. But this time, something feels wrong. The red dot grows brighter, brighter than ever. Each night it grows bigger, sharper, hungrier. People notice. Some stare in wonder, some in fear. And slowly, the truth sinks in. Mars is moving, not around us, toward us. The first signs are subtle. Tides rise higher than ever recorded. Storms become wilder. The oceans seem alive, restless. Then the ground trembles. Mountains groan. Volcanoes awaken. Cities shake as the earth itself shudders. Panic spreads. Governments scramble. Religions preach. Scientists whisper the unthinkable. There's no way to stop it. No weapon. No plan. No hope. Mars hangs above us like a predator. A blood-red hammer in the sky. And every heartbeat is a countdown. Imagine the final night. The sky is red. Mars fills the horizon. Its craters and dust storms visible with the naked eye. It is no longer a planet. It is a hammer. And we are the anvil. The oceans surge. Cities vanish beneath walls of water. Mountains split. Volcanoes roar. Fire fills the skies. All life stands on the edge of extinction. Every eye turns upward. Every mind races. We are tiny, fragile, helpless. And yet we cannot look away. This is not a story. It is a countdown. A glimpse of what happens when worlds collide. Mars and Earth. Two neighbors, circling the sun for billions of years. Close enough to see. Far enough to feel safe. But what if that delicate balance broke? Two worlds trying to occupy the same space would be catastrophic. Earth is alive. Oceans rise and fall. Storms rage. Forests breathe. Cities hum with life. Mars is silent. A desert of iron red rock, frozen caps, and endless canyons. Two titans, hurtling through space. One alive, one dead. If they collide, the energy released would dwarf anything humans have ever imagined. We try to grasp the scale. The sky grows red. Tides swell. Storms intensify. Humanity senses the approaching doom. This is a story of what happens when worlds collide. Not imagination. Not myth, but physics. Indifferent, unstoppable physics. For a collision, Mars must be nudged. Perhaps a wandering star drifts too close. Perhaps a chain reaction, set in motion billions of years ago, finally reaches its conclusion. Mars tilts from its orbit. Subtle, almost invisible. Deadly. Its path shifts. Its destiny changes. The wobble is noticed. Calculations repeated. Scientists check and double-check. The truth sinks in. Mars is falling. Gravity pulls. Earth does not resist. The approach is inevitable. The ocean sense a change. Tides swell. Storms intensify. Volcanoes rumble. Humans look up in fear. The countdown has begun. There is no miracle. No last-minute escape. Physics is indifferent. The path is set. Earth is alive. Oceans rise. Storms rage. Forests breathe. Cities pulse. Mars is desolate. Iron red rock, canyons, ice caps, dust storms. Two titans, hurtling toward each other. Mars is smaller, but massive enough. Its iron core, jagged surface, frozen caps, all weapons. Collision is not about size. It is speed, momentum, inevitability. One strike, one impossible moment. More energy than all nuclear weapons multiplied 1,000,000 times. Continents vanish. Oceans flash to vapor. Mountains pulverized. Atmosphere ignites. Shock waves ripple. Fires ignite worldwide. Earth and Mars merge into one molten sphere of fire. No oceans. No forests. No cities. Only rain. 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized world, Theia, collided with young Earth. Continents melted. Oceans boiled. From chaos, the moon was born. The moon guided tides. Shaped nights. Perhaps made life possible. But today, if Earth collided with Mars, the ending would not be beauty. It would be silence. History proves collisions create as well as destroy. But this time, creation is absent. Only obliteration. As Mars nears, the first signs are in the oceans. Tides rise. Cities vanish beneath walls of water. Millions perish before planets touch. The land itself rebels. Cracks split highways. Mountains fracture. Volcanoes roar back to life. And then the strike. Mars slams into Earth at impossible speed. Oceans vaporize. Continents shatter. Shock waves ignite the atmosphere. Mountains turn to dust. Continents liquefy into rivers of fire. Debris rains across the globe. Cities burn beneath firestorms. Earth and Mars merge into one sphere of molten ruin. No continents. No oceans. Only silence. After impact, Earth is gone. In its place is a molten, lifeless planet. Shattered rocks form new moons. Fragments drift forever in silence. The surface is scorched. Oceans and forests gone. Collisions are not rare. Galaxies collide. Stars are born from fire. Destruction and creation are woven together. Even in darkness, light returns. From endings come beginnings. If Earth collided with Mars, everything ends, not with warning, not with survival, but silence. The universe does not mourn. Stars will burn. Night will return. Somewhere, perhaps, life will rise again. Not here, not as us. Imagine the final moment, standing beneath the stars, looking up, knowing the hammer is falling. This is a story of worlds colliding, a glimpse into the raw, unstoppable power of the cosmos.